On today's coyote hunt, I get reminded of the challenges of trying to hunt and self-film at the same time. Stay tuned. Well, I just had one 150 yards to my right. I got the crosshairs on him, but turned and went into the bush before I could squeeze it off. Oh well. I don't know how long I was standing there before I noticed it just wouldn't come out of the bush, but it just blended in. But by the time I got turned around and situated, I couldn't get the shot off in time, but go to my next spot. We'll see how we do. Well, that happened so fast I couldn't even get the camera on it. I put the e-collar on, rabbit distress call, and I had a dog run out within a minute, so I couldn't even get my shot cam on or any video on it. But he's down, so we'll go take a look. There we go. Little one, he ain't too big. Male. Nice coat. Oh. That happened really fast. I got set up here, put the collar on, looked to my left, and that was it. He was running in. I didn't even have time to get the video camera or the shot cam on him, but made the 80-yard shot with the 222 and went down right on the spot. Well, one fawn killer down. Next time we'll get the camera on before the collar. Thanks for watching, everybody.